The United Nations Environment Programme, commonly known as UNEP, was established on June 5, 1972, following the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment. Headquartered in Nairobi, Kenya, UNEP serves as the leading global environmental authority. Its mission is to provide leadership and encourage partnership in caring for the environment by inspiring, informing, and enabling nations and peoples to improve their quality of life without compromising that of future generations. UNEP's work encompasses assessing global, regional, and national environmental conditions and trends, developing international and national environmental agreements and policies, and strengthening institutions for wise environmental management. UNEP's mission is to provide leadership and encourage partnership in caring for the environment by inspiring, informing, and enabling nations and peoples to improve their quality of life without compromising that of future generations. The organization's vision is a world where people can enjoy a healthy environment, which is crucial for their well-being, economic prosperity, and social development. UNEP works towards this vision by focusing on a broad range of environmental issues, including climate change, biodiversity, pollution, and sustainable development. UNEP is led by an executive director, who oversees the organization's work globally. The executive director ensures that UNEP's policies and strategies are effectively implemented and that the organization remains responsive to the needs of its partner countries. UNEP is structured into regional offices that coordinate operations across different geographical areas. These offices provide strategic direction and support to country offices, ensuring that UNEP's work is tailored to the specific needs and challenges of each region. UNEP also has several divisions that focus on specific environmental themes and issues, such as climate change, biodiversity, chemicals and waste, and resource efficiency. This structure allows UNEP to address a wide range of environmental challenges in a coordinated and comprehensive manner. UNEP's key functions and activities are centered around climate action, biodiversity, pollution, and sustainable development. In the area of climate action, UNEP supports countries in mitigating and adapting to climate change by promoting renewable energy, enhancing resilience, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. UNEP's work on biodiversity involves promoting the conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity, protecting ecosystems, and supporting the implementation of international agreements such as the Convention on Biological Diversity. UNEP also addresses air, water, and soil pollution to protect human health and the environment. The organization works to reduce pollution from various sources, promote cleaner production practices, and enhance waste management. In terms of sustainable development, UNEP encourages sustainable consumption and production patterns by promoting resource efficiency, supporting green economy initiatives, and advocating for sustainable lifestyles. These activities are aimed at achieving a balance between environmental protection, economic growth, and social well-being. UNEP has achieved significant milestones in its mission to protect the environment and promote sustainable development. One of the most notable achievements is UNEP's leadership in global efforts to combat climate change and promote renewable energy. UNEP has been instrumental in raising awareness about climate change, supporting the implementation of international agreements, and promoting clean energy solutions. In the area of biodiversity, UNEP has made significant progress in conserving biodiversity and protecting endangered species. The organization has supported numerous conservation projects, promoted sustainable land and water management, and worked to ensure the protection of critical habitats. UNEP has also implemented effective measures to reduce pollution and improve environmental health. The organization's work in this area includes promoting cleaner production practices, enhancing waste management, and addressing the impacts of hazardous chemicals. Additionally, UNEP has played a crucial role in contributing to the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, particularly those related to the environment. Through its various initiatives and partnerships, UNEP has helped countries advance towards a more sustainable and resilient future. Despite its successes, UNEP continues to face significant challenges. One of the most pressing challenges is addressing the urgent need for climate action and resilience building. Climate change poses a significant threat to global development, and UNEP works to support countries in mitigating and adapting to its impacts. Another major challenge is halting and reversing the decline of biodiversity and ecosystems. Biodiversity loss has far-reaching consequences for human well-being and ecological stability. And UNEP is committed to promoting conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity. Pollution remains a persistent challenge, as it poses serious risks to human and environmental health. UNEP works to tackle persistent and emerging pollutants by promoting cleaner production practices, enhancing waste management, and addressing the impacts of hazardous chemicals. Resource depletion is another critical challenge, as the unsustainable use of natural resources threatens the health of our planet. UNEP promotes sustainable use of natural resources and encourages efforts to reduce the environmental footprint of human activities. These challenges underscore the importance of UNEP's work and the need for continued action to protect the environment and promote sustainable development. Looking ahead, UNEP is focused on enhancing global climate ambition and supporting the implementation of the Paris Agreement. The organization works to raise awareness about the urgency of climate action, promote renewable energy solutions, and enhance resilience to climate impacts. UNEP is also committed to promoting nature-based solutions for climate adaptation and biodiversity conservation. Nature-based solutions, such as reforestation, ecosystem restoration, and sustainable land management, offer a cost-effective and sustainable way to address environmental challenges. UNEP is advancing the transition to a circular economy, which aims to reduce waste and promote resource efficiency by keeping products and materials in use for as long as possible. This approach helps to minimize environmental impact and promote sustainable development. Additionally, UNEP places a strong emphasis on youth engagement, as young people are key agents of change. UNEP works to empower young people to become environmental leaders and advocates for sustainable development. By supporting youth-led initiatives and promoting environmental education, UNEP aims to inspire the next generation of environmental champions. In conclusion, UNEP's commitment to environmental protection and sustainable development remains unwavering. The organization continues to adapt and innovate to meet the evolving challenges of environmental management, working tirelessly to ensure that all people can enjoy a healthy environment and a sustainable future. As we have seen, UNEP's work spans a wide range of areas, from climate action and biodiversity conservation to pollution control and sustainable development. Despite the significant challenges, UNEP's achievements and impact are a testament to the dedication and efforts of its staff, partners, and supporters around the world. We invite you to join us next time as we explore another international agency and its contributions. to global development and human rights. Thank you for your attention. And we look forward to continuing this journey together.